So we got some of the cabins here. Looks like that's the main office. Now we'll go down to the lake. Parents used to be able to drop us off in the summer. And we used to hang out here all the time. Lake Sycamore. Golden Falls Dam. School. Took away the Indian.
You remember a lot.
Yeah, hey, listen. If you were a total stranger and you had to memorize all this stuff, you'd never do it. You had to have lived here.
Yeah, we had that here, and then we had a little bar.
Yeah.
And then he built a closet underneath.
Yeah, he built that.
Yeah. Yeah, so basically this is my music room because I'm in a band. I play in a rock band. This is all my musical stuff.
And I was trying to go around all the restaurants and see which one's around still. And I guess Tony's Pizza's not there no more. It used to be in downtown. And there's a restaurant, Peter's Plum, on the other side of
Oh
the...
yeah, they moved to Brooklyn, I think.
Hey, come on up.
That was my first chef job.
Oh, you're a chef?
Not no more. Now I'm a dog trainer.
Now you're a realtor?
A dog trainer.
Dog trainer.
Oh.
So basically we knocked
Nice.
down the wall. So because
Yeah.
because it was too when we had company, we didn't know where to, you know.
No, there used to be an intercom system right here.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I have a good memory.
Yeah.
We had the two doors. And then
So we moved the TV room to all the...
Yeah, the TV room used to be in the other room. We put it in here.
We moved it to here. And, yeah. We fixed the pillows.
Does it bring back memories?
it felt bigger when I was younger.
Oh, by the way, this is the same
The
door.
laundry room, the bathroom.
This is the same exact door since we moved here. I never changed the front door. I did a lot of windows and stuff, but the door's the same.
Yeah. So we switched because there was more room in that side.
Yeah, because he had a little bar that was over there that he built.
You should take some pictures or film it or
Yeah,
something.
I'm doing it now.
Oh, good. Yeah, yeah.
But same fireplace.
Yeah. We're gonna do something with it. We just haven't done it yet. We're gonna be getting a new powder room. Waiting for the guy to come.
But I was
Your father was gonna turn 55 for the capital gains. I don't
Yeah,
know why
he was gonna
Yeah.
turn
so much-
55 in
I don't know why
December.
so much capital gains, because he didn't move in until December. Sold it in December, but he let us move in August because school was starting. And we paid him rent for a few months.
Right.
before
And then we
were-
closed on the house in December when he turned 55. Yeah,
Because then when there used to be green grass here.
yeah.
Like the artificial
I took
grass.
that out. And I got a
And then these were screen windows.
right.
Yeah.
So every year, just like your father used to do, I used to put plastic in the windows.
Yeah.
I got tired of doing that. We put windows here because it was too much.
And then the
these
stairs
windows-
used to go straight down, and then he built a deck out.
Right, yeah.
And then these windows come out in the summer. These pop out and we have it screened in the summer. He just put them in. Put the window.
Well, I got up here.
Crawl up in the, you
We're
know.
going to Italy
Oh, you
next,
got the seal
next
back.
week, so
Yeah,
we're in the
the vent is still there, but I
Yeah.
pulled the fan out, and it's just off to the side.
Yeah, and this is nice.
Big
too.
bedroom, yeah.
Yeah, and they used to have a
Everything's
bed.
all around because we're in the middle of
They had
packing.
that. You moving?
No, we're going to Italy.
Going to
Oh.
yeah. We had no
Bathroom.
bathroom, yeah. So
New tub and everything.
yeah, yeah,
See, Mom?
yeah. Hey, how's it going?
So this was your room, I guess, on the
This,
left.
yeah, this was my room because it had the
The
walk-in closet. I used to put a lock on it so my brother wouldn't come across and steal my clothes.
Well, in there is a lot of the stuff that my kids didn't take with them.
And then my brother's was that room, and my sister was in this room.
Yeah. Yeah. Brings back memories, huh? Good.
Oh, thank y'all.
Are you kidding me? It would have been a
All right, now we're visiting a restaurant where I used to be the youngest chef in the restaurant. It used to be called Peter's Plum. I don't know what it is now, but we're gonna go inside and have a look.